Hello, good morning students. See, we are discussing about the parallelogram law of vectors. Okay, we have already seen up to this equation, that is OC square is equal to OA square plus 2OA into AD plus AC square. Now all these three equations we have already understood. Now how we can solve? So see here, in the next triangle, that is ACD, in next triangle, in triangle ACD, angle inclination is there, theta. So what is the value of cos theta in this case? So we can write cos theta is equal to, cos theta means what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is, what is adjacent side? That is AD upon, this one is adjacent side, and what about the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC upon AC. So therefore we can write the value of AD is equal to AC cos theta. This is equation number 4. So this is the value of AD. Means how we can calculate here the value of AD in triangle ACD? Just calculate cos theta. And how we can calculate cos theta? That is cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So therefore we are writing here AD upon AC. Therefore AD is equal to AC cos theta. Okay. So if we want to calculate the value of sin theta, how we can calculate? That is the sin theta is equal to, for sin theta, opposite side is very important, because sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side is, here opposite side is CD. So therefore we can write here CD upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means what? Hypotenuse is AC. So therefore we can write hypotenuse, that is AC. This is for sin theta. Therefore CD is equal to, the value of CD is equal to AC sin theta. Equation number 5. Now we have two values which are there. One value is for AD. The value of AD is AC cos theta, and the value of CD is AC sin theta. So these two values we have. So now with the help of that two values we can solve this derivation. So our third equation becomes, what is the equation? Third equation. Therefore equation third becomes, what is equation third? That is OC square plus OC square is equal to OA square plus 2OA into AD plus AC square. So this is the equation, that is OC square is equal to OA square plus 2OA into AD plus AC square. Now we have the value of AD in equation number 4. So instead of this AD, we can put the value of AD, that is AC cos theta. So substitute there. So OC square is equal to OA square plus 2OA into AD. The value of AD is AC cos theta plus AC square. Okay. So from this equation, suppose this equation is equation number 6. Now concentrate on the diagram. See here, OC stands for what? OC, that is the resultant vector R. So this is the value of OC. So that's why we can write here, but OC is equal to R, resultant vector R. OA means what? Vector P. So OA means vector P. Then AC. So OB is Q, therefore AC is also Q vector. So therefore we can write AC is vector Q, then AC square. Okay. So substitute this notation, these three notations in this equation number 6. So what is equation 6? Equation 6 is OC square. So instead of OC square we can write vector R square. So R square is equal to OA square. OA means what? P, that is P square plus 2 as it is OA. OA means what? P. Then AC means Q, cos theta is as it is, plus AC means what? Q, that is AC square. That's why you can write here Q square. So you should be remember here the value or the notation for vectors. That is vector OC can be represented here vector R. So this vector OC, it is represented by vector R. Then OA, this vector OA, that is vector P, and AC it is Q. Why it is Q? Because OB is Q and this is the parallelogram. So therefore we can consider that is AC is vector Q. So substituting these values, what we get here? So therefore we can write vector R square is equal to P square. Write down this term here, that is plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So R square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So taking square root, R is equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Equation number 7. So this is the formula to calculate the resultant vector. So if we want to calculate resultant in problem, then you can apply this formula, that is vector R that is the resultant vector is equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So this formula is very important and number of questions can be asked on this formula, that is vector R is equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay. So this is the expression for this is an expression for resultant. Means if you have to find the value of resultant, then you can apply this formula, that is R is equal to under P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay. So this is about the resultant. Then how we can calculate the direction? So see some questions may be asked on the direction. So For resultant only you should be remember here vector r is equal to under root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. And for direction, now we have to derive the expression for direction. So expression for direction means how we can find out the value of direction. To calculate direction, we must know the value of tan theta. See here, the triangle OCD, in a triangle OCD, in triangle OCD, alpha is there, angle inclination. So what is the value of tan alpha? How we can calculate the tan theta? Tan theta means what? Opposite side upon adjacent side. So in case in triangle ACD, which one is the opposite side? That is CD. So we can write here opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. So tan alpha is equal to opposite side is CD upon adjacent side is OD. Okay. What we are taking here, that is opposite side is CD and adjacent side is OD. Which triangle we are considering here? OCD. Now, but OD is equal to what? But OD is equal to OA plus AD. OA plus AD. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to CD upon OA plus AD. Okay. Now we have the value for CD and AD. So we know the value of AD and we know the value of CD. So just we can put the value of AD and CD, but the value of CD is, what is the value of CD? AC sin theta, AC sin theta, and the value of AD is, AC cos theta, AC cos theta. Now substituting this value in the above equation, suppose this equation is equation number 7, equation number 8. So substitute the value of CD and AD in equation number 8. What we get? The value of CD and AD in equation 8. Equation 8 मध्ये आपल्याला value ठेवायची आहे. So therefore tan alpha is equal to CD. The value of CD is AC sin theta. AC sin theta upon the value of OA as it is. So OA as it is plus the value of AD. The value of AD is AC cos theta. AC cos theta. Now concentrate on the notation which is given in the diagram. So AC means what? Vector Q. And OA means what? Vector P. So put here the notation. We know that is AC. AC means which vector? Vector Q. And OA OA means vector P. So these are the two values or two representation of given vectors. So we can substitute there. So therefore tan alpha is equal to AC. AC means what? Q sine theta divided by OA. OA means what? P plus as it is AC. AC means what? Q into cos theta. So this is the value to calculate tan alpha. Therefore, alpha can be calculated using this, that is tan inverse of Q sine theta upon P plus Q cos theta. So you should be remember, suppose this one is the equation number 9 and this alpha represents here the directions. Means to calculate the directions we should know the formula, that is tan inverse of Q sine theta upon P plus Q cos theta. Okay. So this is about the analytical method of parallelogram. So this method is very important, or these two formulas, one for resultant and another for direction. So these two formulas are very important to solve the various types of numericals, or we can say applications. Okay, so you should remember here two formulas. Which are they? One is resultant, that is R is equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta, and second one is for direction, that is alpha is equal to tan inverse of Q sin theta upon P plus Q cos theta. Okay. So we shall stop here till then.